So in this design wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add shadow to an image here in Design Wizard. So first thing you have to do is open up the app or the website and then go into the Elements tab right here on the left hand side of your screen. Once that is pressed, you can go to the photo options right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on more, and I'm going to search up a photo of Los Angeles just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to find Los Angeles. I might have spelled Los Angeles wrong, but regardless, here you go. I'll just go ahead and use this photo right here, destination Los Angeles, as an example for this video. So what it's going to do now is take a couple seconds to load this into your design. Now, pretty straightforward. Press on the photo, go to the Effects tab in the top left here, then go all the way down to the bottom to where it says Shadow. So there's Offset X, Offset Y, Blur. So if you were to turn on Offset X, it actually shows you what side the shadow is going to be coming from. I'll make it a little bit smaller so it's easier to see. Offset Y would mean the y-axis of the shadow as well, and if you want to blur it out, you can add sort of blur to the shadow just like that. And if you want to change the color, you can just play around with it. If I wanted a blue shadow right there, there you go. Pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add a shadow to an image here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.